Do you know that we are also part of international agreements? Do you know that we also have obligations under those instruments? And then when domestic manufacture takes place, we are obliged, apart from what my colleague said, we are part of a global system. Supply chains, inputs come from outside the country. And to make politics out of this, ये राजनीतिक रोटियां सेकने का अवसर है. Listening to my friends, honorable members from across party lines, I got the impression that the one realization which had escaped them was that the enemy here is the virus, not the government, not the state chief ministers, not the system. It is the virus which is the enemy.
Please.
When we went into complete lockdown, this country This country did not make a single ventilator. We did not produce PPEs. We did not even have masks. We flew in 1,900 tons of medical equipment initially, and then as part of the Atmanirbharta spirit, we started manufacturing each of these things and exporting them. Is that an achievement or not? Today, this discourse in this house, which is taken seriously by the country, will be played over and over again, and the false narratives that have appeared here will be scrutinized and fact-checked. My distinguished colleague from Kerala, two of them spoke. Shri Elmaram Karim said from January 2020 till the lockdown, the government didn't take any action. I don't know where he gets his facts from. As Civil Aviation Minister, I was the first to stop flights from coming from China. Others followed. We went into a total lockdown on 25th March 2020. On the one hand, we are told the lockdown is too severe. At the same time, you want to have the cake and eat it too. And then you accuse us of the opposite. Loose talk is coming here about us exporting vaccine. Do you know what a vaccine is? Many of your leaders turn around and talk about vaccines as if it was something that you can go to your neighborhood chemist and buy off the shelf. Do you know how many people in the world, how many manufacturing facilities produce the vaccine? You can count them on your fingertips. And what were we doing as a political class? There are 2 vaccine manufacturers in India who initially were involved in the manufacture of vaccines for COVID-19. Bharat Biotech, a domestic manufacturer, and when the government, my colleague, the Honorable Health Minister, Mansukh Bhai, and his predecessor, when we were sitting in the GOM, what were we facing? That there was a repeated chorus coming from the Congress party and other parts of the political system. Why are you giving accelerated permission to Bharat Biotech? अभी तो इनके क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स नहीं हुए, अभी तो ये नहीं हुआ, अभी तो वो नहीं हुआ. Who was fueling vaccine hesitancy? The second vaccine manufacturer, Serum Institute, which is producing the Oxford Zeneca vaccine. Research done at Oxford University by scientists, medical professionals, developed by AstraZeneca pharmaceutical company, and Serum Institute was one of the manufacturing facilities, the only one in India, which produced it under license. Now, do you know that we are also part of international agreements? Do you know that we also have obligations under those instruments? And then when domestic manufacture takes place, we are obliged, apart from what my colleague said, we are part of a global system. Supply chains, inputs come from outside the country. And to make politics out of this, ये राजनीतिक रोटियां सेकने का अवसर है. Let me tell you what we did. We produced an ecosystem which today we are one of the leading manufacturers. We are going to meet the domestic demand. My colleague Mansukh Bhai will respond to that and give you the precise numbers. As of yesterday, we had administered 42 crore doses. 42 crore doses. What percentage? Are you apologetic about the fact that we have a population of 1.34 billion as against another country which has 300 million? Give it a few more days. Our percentage of population also will be rising. But gentlemen, we need everyone to be on board on that. We not only produced vaccines domestically to showcase that, we also were able to share our expertise, our abilities, our supplies with our immediate neighbors as part of one large family. We are importing also. But if you want to fuel vaccine hesitancy, I was in doubt. I must share with some of my friends here. Some of them turned around and said, "Bhai, ye domestic vaccine theek nahi hai." Were they making out a case for expensive imported vaccines? I asked myself that question. If you want to have imported vaccines, it's a different issue. Who are the people who said, let the states do it? Let the states do it. Who had two chief ministers, I don't want to name them, they said, center should not do the vaccine procurement, let the states do it. The Honorable Prime Minister agreed. Apart from the state governments, state chief ministers, my senior colleague, used to be my minister, a very dear friend, many of them, I will quote you the statements, saying, "Bhai, center states ko karne dijiye." But when the states were not able to do it, that's when the center took them over and we procured them in order to provide them free to the states. It's not that we were distributing in North Block and South Block. Sir, I'm sorry, these are the home truths.